I am going back to London. This whole thing, this whole exercise was a terrible mistake.
Calm down. Calm down yourself, my daughter. Calm down.
Did you say I should calm down?
Calm down.
That idiot said it to my face that he does not love me. He prefers that stupid and ungrateful girl.
It's okay. I have spoken to his father and he...
Dad, I don't care. I am no longer interested. You can force a horse to the stream, but you cannot force it to drink from it. You or his father cannot force Raymond to marry me. And I would never play a second fiddle to that stupid girl. Dad, I'm done.
Namde! Namde! Namde!
I was surprised when you called to say that we're in my hotel. I thought you said you never wanted to see me again.
I still do not want to see you again.
So why did you call me? What is this? You're pregnant.
That is what the test says. But don't get any ideas because I am not having any child with you.
So what do you want to do? About my child? I hope you're not thinking of that. Are you?
What do you want me to do?
I'm not going to let you do that.
I only came to inform you. Don't come to look for me. Don't. Why? Nnamdi, why would you have to tell her you are no longer interested in the marriage?
Mom, because I was never interested. Mom, this thing about all this marriage arrangement was never my plan. Yes, Judy and I couldn't just stay one day without fighting each other. Mom, I can't live like that. I can't.
I can see that that girl has really gotten into you. Whatever she must have done to you to make you sound this foolish. Hey, Stella, we'll undo it. Trust me.
It's too late anyway.
What did you just say?
She's pregnant for me.
What did you just say?
Yes, and she's not going to abort it.
Nnamdi, why? Nnamdi, what have you done?
Mom, stop.
Why, Nnamdi, stop. Why?
Mom, stop.
Hey, one day more. Hey. Bam.
It's okay. Stop crying.
Hey.
It's okay now. Stop crying. Come on, sit down. Don't worry.
Just
everything will be fine.
me. I cannot see. Oh, don't see me. My neighbor.
What's happened?
Nah.
What is it? Huh?
Chinonso and Amara have been adopted.
How? How did it happen?
I came back. I did not meet any of them in the house. Then somebody told me that she heard screams, and by the time she got here, she saw a car zooming out and caught a glimpse of them inside the car.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Who could have done a thing like that?
Just one way to find out. Please take care of her for me, okay? I'll be back.
Where are you going to?
Hey!
It's okay now.
Hey!
Alright.
Oh, what did he do? What did he do? What did he do? Maybe I should go with him and find him. Oh, no, let me go with him. I need to find my brother. Wait first.
Don't worry. Let him go and come first.
Why, Judy? Why?
Why what?
Do you have to abduct Adora's brother and the friend just to show how angry you are?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Judy, please. I know you're responsible for that abduction, okay? I've come to plead with you to release them. Your grudge is not with them, but with me. Please.
Namdi, you're wasting my time. I have a flight to catch.
Judy?
Have a beautiful life.
We should launch a search party. And I'm going to foot the bills.
What about the police?
I met the police on my way here. They will launch investigation into the case.
Hey! How?
Ada, please take it.
What have I gotten my brother into? What has he done? Why him? Why Chinonso? Why Chinonso? Hey!
It's been 1 week since the search party investigation, but nothing tangible has been done about it. Not even a clue of their whereabouts.
What about the police?
The police, oh, excuse me. Oh, talk of the devil. Hello? Yeah, talk to me.
The boy and the girl have been found in another bush.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll be there right away. It's okay.
Who was that?
The police.
And?
They don't know their whereabouts yet.
Hi!
Please don't cry, okay?
Hi!
I know they're not dead. And if that is the case, we're going to find them. Okay?
Chinonso and Amara do not deserve this.
No, they don't. They don't at all. I know all these things are happening because of me. That's why we need to be close to each other.
How?
You're carrying my child. And I don't want us to give birth to this child out of wedlock.
I never told you I wanted to keep the child.
You never said you wanted to abort it either. Babe, I know I must have caused you a lot of pain, but I promise you I must find a way to make things right, okay? I'm sorry. It's alright.
Greetings, my king. You sent for me.
Yes. Sit down.
My king, I hope there's no problem.
Not at all.
Okay.
Thinking lately about you.
I'm sorry, my king. I hope I haven't erred in any way.
On the contrary, you have been the most diligent and sacrificial servant in this palace. You are loyal and honest to me. And that has not gone unnoticed.
Thank you very much, my king. I pledge to serve you, and I will continue to serve you.
Do you have any man in your life?
My king, I don't understand.
Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, not at all, my king. I don't have a boyfriend. I have never known any man in my life. No man has ever... I don't have a boyfriend, my king.
How would you feel if I make you my wife?
If the king is asking if I will be happy, sad or over the moon, I'll pick the latter, my king.
Is that a yes for an answer?
Yes. I'm sorry, my king. I'm just excited. Yes.
It's all right. In that case, I will tell the elders to find a befitting time to go to your family to conduct or carry out your marriage rites.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my king. Thank you. My king, you're my life, my hope. You're my future, you're my past, you're my present. You're my everything, my king. Thank you so much. My king, I promise to serve you for the rest of my life. I will serve you as your servant, your queen. I'll serve you as your brother. I mean your queen. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, my king. Thank you. Eight. My servants, how are you two doing?
How dare you refer to us as your slaves?
Seriously, really?
You are taking this fantasy of yours too far. And we cannot condone your attitude anymore in this palace. And if you continue like this, I will report it to the king myself.
And if you continue like this, I will report you to the king myself. She says she wants to report me to my dear husband.
Husband. Indeed.
Oh, well, you can laugh for all I care. I'll just ignore you. I'll let it slide. You know why? Because I'm here and you are there. But you see, the king is my husband. And there is nothing, absolutely
Your Majesty.
Oh, hi.
The king requests your presence.
Sorry, what did you say again? I didn't hear you.
Your Majesty, the king requests your presence.
Please tell my dear husband that I will be with him in a jiffy.
Yes, Majesty.
Did you hear that? Did you like the sound of that? I'll make this clear. I will definitely be the queen of this land. And you too will serve me. Get back to work. That's it. My husband sends for me.
Like, what's going on? It doesn't look real. But it's like we are dreaming. Did you just hear the guard refer to her as Your Majesty? It's not possible. It's not. Let's not be what I'm thinking of. The king wants to see you.
How stupid and uncultured of you. First you barge into my room and you can't even address me properly. Do you know exactly who I am in this palace?
I'm sorry.
Huh, you're sorry. You better be. And let me warn you, the next time you display such timidity, you find yourself leaving this palace. Take your little self out of my sight and tell the king I'll be with him shortly. Get out.
Okay.
What impetus? My king, you sent...
Come on, will you take off that ass from that chair?
I'm sorry, my king.
What is your relationship with this guard?
Nothing, my king, aside working relationship.
You're a liar. A very big liar. Tell the king the truth.
What other truth again now? What truth?
That we're having an affair.
What are Jesus? Again, now why are you lying? What have I done to you? Why are you lying?
He's lying.
My king, I don't know what he's talking about.
Who is lying? You are, who is lying?
You know you are lying.
Shut up! Ikenna, why did you decide to expose her now?
Yes. My king, we had a deal.
What type of deal do you have with her?
She asked me to make you hate and despise Adara. Then she will marry me. She gave me a document and money to hide in Adara's house. She made me kidnap Adara's brother.
You mean
You kidnapped my nephew? You idiot! Where's him now?
I took them to the bush on her instruction. I don't know what happened later.
Did you kill them? I said, did you kill them?
I was told you wanted to see me.
Obi, my love.
Ikenna, just wouldn't break her bound. Stop it. I hope you weren't looking for me because of this nonsense you're talking about right now.
Obi, I have come to tell you that I've made some good plans that will make both of us fulfilled in future.
Yeah, it is good though. Very good, Nam.
Yes.
Very, very good.
Yes. Don't you want to know what the plans are?
Don't I want to know what plans are?
Yes.
Ikenna, does it look like I am concerned about anything that concerns you? I'm asking you. Does it look like I am concerned about anything that concerns you? Ikenna, Obogene. Onwefe Maggie. Eh?
Hey, Obi, you are the one harassing me with your love. See, don't mind that we are here. In future, my glory will confuse you.
Why?
See, I'm serious. I love you. And see, that is why I want you by my side when that time comes.
You want me by your side?
Yes.
As what, Nam?
See, Obi, I want you to be at my side as my wife. My wife.
You want me to be by your side when that time comes? I want you to be by my side when that time... Look at the way your mouth is dancing. Obviously, you don't even know what you want.
Be true to God, I swear.
Ah, shut up! Human beings are swearing. You want one name, you are coming out to swear. What is wrong with you, Kenna? Don't you have eyes? You cannot differentiate bad from good. Eh? Ikenna, look at me now. Eh? Just Nekodumania, look at me, look at me. Just Nekodumania. Are we in the same class? Ikenna, am I your mate in any way? I am the king's handmaid. I am for the king. I am for the rich, the classy people. I am not in your level, Ikenna. Listen, if you want to get married to any of these palace mates, that is your problem. I can even point the right direction for you. But you see, Obiageli, no road. Uza, Okmochira Akmochi. Don't you ever call me out to tell me this nonsense again. Idiot. And listen, the next time you waste my time like this, you will not like me. You won't like my person. I don't know what is deceiving you. Okwa this Beazibu, you think you are Rick Ross. You don't know your mates. Allah.
Obi, please, come. You cannot... Obi, please. Hey. My God.
Wow. This man is this sleeping. Okay now. You're not serious. You're still sleeping. The king wants to see us right away.
The king wants to see us?
Yeah.
At this time of the night?
Hold on. Did I just hear you say night? This is morning.
You're a liar. What's the time?
Okay, now this is 9:50 a.m.
What?
Are you serious? This man, are you okay?
Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
So, you deceived me and made me stay all night in vain, eh?
What? Who deceived you? Who are you talking about? What's wrong with you?
Never mind. Just go, I'm coming.
Ikenna, are you okay?
I say you should go, I'm coming.
Alright. Don't just keep the king waiting.
Don't go without me, I'm coming, eh? Obegori, you think you are smart. You don't know what is coming to you. I mean soon. By the time I'm done with you, I will prepare for us. Sure.
Ike, my love. My sugar. My darling.
Obi, is this really you?
Of course it is me. But I know you will be thinking that this is one of the 7 wonders of the planet.
Oh my God.
You know, you have really done nothing in this palace aside chasing me around like a dog on heat. Anyway, darling, I have come to satisfy your sexual fantasies.
Oh my God. I must be dreaming, honestly. I must be dreaming, definitely.
Oh no, darling, you are not dreaming. Well, if you are, you should wake up from that slumber and come and take me to Cloud 9.
I should go. I can't wait for a precious moment like this.
Oh, come on.
Oh, hey, for your precious.
What are you
I'm
waiting?
coming, baby. Obi, I'm coming. Obi, hey. Oh, can I try this? Hey. That's nice.
Take it.
Baby.
Stop.
Baby, what is it? What is it? Are you abandoning me in the middle of the river, please? Wait.
I just want to ask you. Hold on. I just want to ask you a question.
What's this? I just ask me anything.
What can you do to have my body?
What can I do? I can do anything for you. Anything. You know I can do anything for you. Obi, please, Ovu.
You can do anything to have my body.
Yes.
I didn't hear you say it clearly. You can.
I can do anything. Anything. You want money? I'll give you money.
Oh, no, you don't have money, so.
So what do you want? Tell me what you want.
You will do anything.
I can kill somebody to have you.
Oh, you can kill.
Honestly.
You can do just anything.
I swear. Please. Hey, please.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Oh my God, please. 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 Please, you know I've been...
So that was how Princess Ola became very famous all across the land and even beyond. She even did what able-bodied men couldn't do. She laid onslaught against the people that threatened their existence.
It's just a might, or what is called allegory in literature.
It's not just a might, it's a real-life event.
If it's not just a might as you claimed, then why wasn't she crowned a king? Since she's stronger than every other man in the land.
For that same reason, women are not allowed to be president in this country.
I don't think that is the reason she wasn't crowned a king.
Then what's the reason?
Amara. She wasn't crowned a king because...
Hold that thought there. Let me go inside and check the food on fire. I'll be right back.
You think you're smart?
I am very smart.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. No problem.
Amara! Amara! Amara!
Lisa, no, just
Shut up, shut up. Are you hot water?
Lisa, no, just Lisa.
Oh, but move this boy now. Move this boy. Move this boy. What did it up now? How about you self don't blind? They observe the coast.
Lisa, no,
observe
please.
Come. Blind idiot. You go shut up here.
Lisa, please, beg.
Shut up. Don't allow person to shout. Come on, come on.
See, you're Bederi. See, you're joking. You're not serious. Honestly.
I am joking. Take a look at me again now. Does it look like I'm joking?
See, those guys are kids. And they're not your enemies, for crying out loud.
Oh. So tell me, are you going to do it or not? Or do you want me to instruct the other boys to do it?
See, I didn't sign up for this. And I don't think I'm going to do it.
I see. Obviously, you weren't listening to me when I told you exactly what I wanted. Because you were carried away by lust. But let me make this clear to you. Whether you do it or not, you are already involved.
See, come, we can talk this over. What have I gotten myself into? I promised this out of Ifejikamu. Not that I'm serious. Hey, God, I'm finished.
Alpha, I claim. You know, sir, I need reason things with that guy. Some boys go cash out.
Baba, Swale.
How for you? I'm on to IB. I go see that guy. See this one.
Better style, Baba. Oh
boy, put your eyes on. Who blind? No, they see. Boy, they see. You feel me? No sleeping on bike. No sleeping on bike.
Men on guard. Baba, men on guard. Not before this too smally. You're not rich now. West. Not be this too smally. Come. I'm not your boyfriend. Yes. That's it. Okay, take this off. Oh, dog. Today. Hey, you. Why you dey look me? Why you look me? I resemble your boyfriend for your eye. Come on. Nonsense. See this one, blind Bartimaeus. With the cause problem for the town, now you know. For where?
I'll try my best.
Okay.
Squeeze more, squeeze the camera,
Sorry. I'm sorry, okay? You'll be fine. Let's go. Sorry. Sorry, what happened? What are you doing?
Do it.
Amara! Amara! Sorry, you're going to be fine. Let's go. Take it easy. You can make it. You can make it. Make it.
What's happening here? What?
Oh my God!
Malako! What's happening?
Malako?
What happened?
Nothing now.
What do you want to get
What kind of nonsense is this?
Where are they?
They do it! Bro! See, go inside, go, look for him! Immediately! Look immediately! Hi! What kind of rubbish is this? Hey, don't come back with that! I said speak up!
I gave them instructions, but I never got any feedback. My king, please. Please, I'm very sorry. I did everything because I wanted you badly. Please forgive me, my king, please.
Good. You say I should forgive you, right? I should forgive you for executing my friend's son? Is that what you're telling me to do for you?
My king, it was the devil's handwork, please. I am sorry. I didn't mean to do any of these things. Please, my king, please.
Yes, I agreed with you on that. It is the devil's handwork. And you are the devil. Yes. You.
No, my king, I'm not. Please, I'm sorry.
Sebastian.
My king.
Lock them up and call in the police.
Right away. Stop.
My king,
stand up.
My king, please. My king, please. Please, my king. My king.
Move!
Please. Jesus. Move, sir. Sir. Sir.
Move it.
I want to peace, sir. Let me just peace.
Move it.
Let me move. Let me just peace. Sir, please, let me just leave.
Hold on. You're there.
Okay.
You're there. Okay. Open your eyes.
My God. Joy! Lily! My God! I told you I never wanted any form of celebration.
Baby, you never said anything. I didn't even know what you want. So I just have to do something.
I love it.
You sure?
And I love you more.
I love you too. Now, go ahead and make your wish. Anything in this world, just say it. Go ahead.
I wish that one day I will set eyes on my brother Chinonso again. I always see him in my dreams. And I believe he is still alive. And I also believe that one day I will see him again.
And we say,
Amen.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, let's make a toast.
All right.
Okay. I am making a toast for my beautiful wife and my unborn child. Sweetheart, I am going to give you a gift, but it's not going to be money. It's not going to be car. And it's not going to be a house. Yes. That gift is going to be an answered prayer. God has really answered your prayers through your wish. And I'm going to present to you right now no other person than Chinonso.
Chinonso. Chinonso. Chinonso. Amara.
Dora, I missed you.
Chinonso.
So easy.
This is you.
Yeah, it's me.
This is you.
I'm so happy to see you. You know, you look very good on this. Yes. This pregnancy suits my sister.
You can see me.
Very well. It says, you know, I've craved so much to behold your beauty once again. And I'm happy it's happening on this special day of yours. Happy birthday to you, sister.
Thank you.
And I'm happy to behold this beauty of yours. And all thanks to Uncle Nnamdi. He made it possible.
How? Honey, how?
Babe, if you can remember vividly well, the day I was with you and the police people called, and I also told you that they said they've not been found.
Yes.
Remember?
Yes.
I lied. Yes, I lied. They actually told me that day that they've been found.
And you didn't tell me.
No, I wanted to protect them, so I have to take them away immediately and prepare the visa for Chinonso to go to Dubai for his surgery. All thanks to God that everything went well. He's fine now.
My darling brother.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
I'm happy to see you.
I've missed you.
I've missed you more. Happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
I missed
you
too.
I've missed you.
Oh,
please.
sit down.
Sit down.
Let's go. Okay.
you hid this from me?
I'm sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. It's just a necessary evil.
What is birthday celebration?
Yeah.
And no one cares to be invited.
Mom? Dad? You never told me you were coming.
Because you both decided to blank us.
No, Mom, it's not like that. You never wanted to have anything to do with me or my choice of a wife.
That's not true, son. Adora, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Anyway, your father and I have talked things over and have decided that we'll let bygones be bygones.
Son, you know you have been a bad boy, don't you? Well, I wanted the best for you, but you made your choice, and we cannot disown you because of that. Son, we still love you, and we accept Adora and our coming grandchild.
Yes.
Wow. You guys have actually colored this celebration. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wait.
What is it?
What are you waiting for?
Are you okay, babies?
Let's get the car! Let's get the car!
Let's get the car.
Take it easy.
Where's the car? Driver!
Honey?
Always follow your dreams. Don't let anyone tell you you can do something better. Cause magic is in belief. If all magic here about believer, one more. Believe in yourself. But the God believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Don't allow your present condition to cloud your vision. Believe in God. One to pass a beginner jigger. Makana pasa. If you look at the melody, have confidence in God. If you look at the melody, Akacheku nenya na biya. Ifuna chimu nenya na biya. Akacheku nenya